comrades apha ku-ANC sithembe two provinces. Two provinces are our pillars kuma-elections. Eastern Cape neLimpopo. They are the two provinces esithembele kuzo. Ukuthi those two provinces will give us 80% and above kuma-elections. So ndivuya kakhulu ukuthi nibe lapha nani ningama-volunteers. I am particularly pleased, comrades, ukuthi nibizwe at short notice and nikwazile ukuthi nifike nonke as ama-volunteer e-ANC. Mandibone ningama-volunteers nonke, phakamisani izandla. Wow. Ndiyavuya comrades. Yini ke abazinikelayo ukwenza sure ukuthi ANC izawin. Ngomhla ka-4 kaNovember, we know ukuthi we rely on you. We rely on you ukuthi before E4 niqalisa nge-registration. Abantu abaninzi abaka-registi abatsha kakhulu ngabo esifanele ukuthi sibatargete ukuthi baphume ngobuninzi babo bayo-register. They are our main target. And kule game yalama elections sivuya kakhulu ukuthi abantu abatsha, they are coming out in their great numbers. Bayaphuma ngobuninzi bafuna ukuregister and ba-register online. Kodwa bafuna thina ukuthi siba-encourage ukuthi ba-register. Kuyafanele ukuthi as volunteers sizinike i-target. Umuntu nomuntu azinike i-target. In fact, i-region ifanele ukuthi inike ama-target as volunteers. Ukuthi i-volunteer enye nenye iyazi ukuthi ifanele ukuthi i-register abantu abangaphi na. Whether it's 10, whether it's 20, and kube ne-record. Yabona mina ngipha eGauteng, ndine-record yami ebonisayo ukuthi ndiregister abantu abangaphi na. So iya-trackiwa, iya-checkwa leyo record. Nami ndiyi-volunteer pha eGauteng, but I'm a national volunteer. In fact, I am like Madiba. Ngaleliya xesha le-boycotts in the 50s. He was the volunteer in chief. Nami ke ndiyi-volunteer in chief. Noxa ke sobe ndilifumane nekhekhe kodwa ndiyi-volunteer in chief. So comrades, it's important ukuthi sibe ngama-volunteers who are going to focus on registering abantu who are not yet registered. Ukuthi ba-register, sikwazi ukuthi bazovota. And enye i-weapon ebalulekile as volunteers, i-weapon ebalulekile ukuthi sikwazi kwenza i-door to door. Sikwazi ukuyongena emizini yabantu. Earlier today, benidibane namakhosi. Ukumkani unike i-chance ukuthi nidibane namakhosi. And sithe kumakhosi sicela ukuthi bavule iminyango. Bavumele i-campaigns ukuthi zibe khona lapho babusa khona. Nathi ke mababavumele bonke lamaphathi. Nalaba abancinci, nalaba ababhedayo, nalaba abangazi ukuthi bathetha ngantoni. Sibavumele bangene. Kodwa ndathi kubo, of course, bayazi ukuthi eyiphi yona abafana ukuthi bayivulele.